Vocabulit test lesson 10. Sentence completion. Choose the word that best completes each sentence. I may be a little late, but I can blank that I will be here in time to take you to the train station. Burden, transplant, assure, appreciate. The athlete's blank achievement will be in all the record books. Extraordinary, contagious, distracted, sympathetic. The author prefers regular mail, not email for blank with fans. Unfurling, frustration, correspondence, aspect. You have to look at every blank of the problem to really understand why it is happening. Unfurling, aspect, suspect, flourish. Howie's unexpected enthusiasm was blank to all but Quinn. Resilient, distracted, contagious, eternal. Applicants to the fire department must blank medical tests before their interviews. Transfer, assure, transplant, undergo. Julie was a basket case when she learned she'd be required to blank planes in Los Angeles. Assure, aspect, transfer, undergo. You will have my blank gratitude if you could lend me your notes so I can study for the science test. Eternal, extraordinary, contagious, resilient. He will never get an blank in his company because he is simply too lazy. Aspect, correspondence, shift, promotion. The sudden blank of power around him made her uneasy. Aspect, correspondence, shift, dedication. Antonyms. Choose the word that is nearly opposite in meaning to the capitalized word. I had to transfer all of my documents to my new computer. Keep, confirm, move, reassign. The school is proud of the extraordinary work of all the school is proud of the extraordinary work all of the UIL students did. Outstanding, demotion, constancy, common. The student assured the teacher he did his homework. Promised, confirmed, denied, kept. Synonyms. Choose the word that is most similar to the capitalized word. He made the shift from actor to director with too little understanding of the different roles. Gate, battle, decision, change. Since his cold is probably contagious, it would be best not to get too close to him. Catching, terrible, popular, shocking. Context clues. Read the passage below. That company has many tough policies. For example, an employee must blank a series of interviews if he or she is interested in an blank. Only after that experience is the employee considered for a higher level position. Choose the answer that best fills both blanks in the passage. Appreciate, aspect, undergo, promotion, transfer, shift, assure, correspondence. Which words or phrases from the passage best help the reader answer the previous question? That company, interviews, tough policies, interested. For example, only after. Experience, higher level position. Analogies. Infinite is to space as eternal is to dream, time, history, mathematics. Narrative is to story as correspondence is to change, communication, experience, advancement. Transfer is to keep as shift is to change, unending, constancy, temporary.